This is the burping comedy skit. Having a burpathon. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. More comedy skits, food reviews, and hot and spicy food challenges to come. God loves and cares for you. Have a blessed night.